Imagine waking up one day and realizing you're making double what you earn right now without changing jobs, cities, or even industries. What if I told you the difference between a low-paying and a high-paying job is often not luck, but skill? And here's the thing. Most people think skill development means years of school or expensive degrees, but that's not the full truth. There's a simple roadmap that can turn your current abilities into a ticket for high-paying opportunities, and I'm going to break it down step by step. Stick with me until the end because I'll share one overlooked skill that companies are desperate to pay top dollar for, yet almost no one is learning it. Number 1. Know which skills pay the most. Not all skills are created equal. If you want a high-paying job, you need to focus on skills that have both high demand and low supply. For example, tech skills like cloud computing, data analysis, and cybersecurity are exploding in value because companies can't find enough people who can do them. On the other hand, communication, leadership, and negotiation skills are just as important because they work across industries. Imagine being a project manager who can also read data and present it clearly. That's like being a chef who can also grow their own rare ingredients. Employers line up for that. Research from LinkedIn shows that combining technical skills with strong soft skills can increase your earning potential by over 30%. Number 2. Start with transferable skills. Transferable skills are abilities that you can use in almost any job or industry. Things like problem solving, time management, and adaptability never go out of style. For example, if you learn how to manage a team effectively, that skill applies whether you work in healthcare, construction, finance, or education. Think of it like learning how to drive. Once you know the basics, you can switch cars, trucks, or even a bus without starting over from zero. Number 3. Learn in small, focused sprints. Many beginners think they need to sign up for a 4-year program to really learn a skill, but you can often get results faster by breaking learning into small, targeted sessions. For example, instead of saying, "I want to learn coding," commit to learning one small part, like how to build a simple website, over 2 weeks. This gives you a quick win, keeps you motivated, and lets you use that new skill right away. Sites like Coursera, Skillshare, and even YouTube offer micro courses that cost less than a dinner out, but can give you a skill worth thousands in extra annual income. Number 4. Practice in real situations. The fastest way to turn a skill into money is to use it in real life as soon as possible. If you're learning graphic design, take on a small project for a friend's business. If you're working on public speaking, volunteer to lead a meeting or give a short presentation at your job. It's like learning to swim. You can read about it all day, but you won't improve until you actually get into the water. Number 5. Stack skills for higher value. A single skill can be powerful, but combining 2 or more makes you stand out. For example, knowing sales is great. Knowing sales plus digital marketing is even better. Or take writing. A copywriter who also understands search engine optimization can charge double compared to someone who just writes. Stacking skills is like making a custom pizza. The more unique and high-quality toppings you add, the more people are willing to pay for it. Number 6. Use free and low-cost resources. Skill development doesn't have to drain your wallet. Podcasts, blogs, open-source tools, and free workshops can teach you industry-relevant skills without the price tag of formal training. For example, Google offers free certification courses in analytics, project management, and IT support, all recognized by employers. The key is not just collecting certificates, but applying what you learn so you have real proof of your ability. Number 7. Build a visible portfolio. Having skills is one thing. Showing proof you can use them is another. A portfolio doesn't have to be fancy. It can be a simple website, a LinkedIn profile, or even a shared Google Drive folder with samples of your work. If you're learning video editing, make a short highlight reel. If you're practicing data analysis, share charts and reports you've created. Employers and clients want to see what you can do, not just hear about it. Number 8. Find mentors and networks. One shortcut to high-paying jobs is connecting with people who are already there. A mentor can guide you toward the skills that actually matter, saving you months of trial and error. Networking doesn't mean handing out business cards at a boring event. It could be joining an online community, commenting on industry posts, or reaching out to someone on LinkedIn with a genuine question. Sometimes one conversation can open a door to a job that would have taken years to find on your own. Number 9. Specialize without limiting yourself. Specialization can make you an expert in a niche, which often means higher pay. But here's the trick. Specialize in a way that still lets you pivot if the market changes. For example, becoming an expert in digital marketing for real estate agents is great, but keep your marketing skills broad enough to apply to other industries if the housing market slows down. It's like having a favorite restaurant, but still knowing how to cook at home. You're never stuck without options. Number 10. Stay ahead of industry trends. What's valuable today might be outdated in 5 years. Keeping your skills fresh means you'll never wake up to find your expertise is irrelevant. Read industry news, follow thought leaders, and watch for new tools or technologies. For example, AI tools are changing how jobs in design, marketing, and customer service work. Those who learn how to use them, instead of fearing them, are securing some of the highest-paying roles right now. Number 11. Treat skill development like a savings account. Just like saving money, building skills compounds over time. The more you deposit, even if it's just 20 minutes a day, the more it grows. And unlike money, skills can't be taken away by inflation or market crashes. They make you valuable in any economy, which is why they're one of the best investments you can ever make. Number 12. The one overlooked skill that pays big. I promised you earlier I'd share a skill that almost no one talks about, yet companies pay big for it. That skill is learning how to learn. If you can quickly pick up new tools, adapt to changes, and apply knowledge fast, you instantly become more valuable than someone who has one skill but can't adapt. Think about it. Industries change, technology evolves, and job requirements shift. The person who can learn fast can always stay ahead and always command higher pay. Number 13. Learn how to solve expensive problems. High-paying jobs often go to people who can fix problems that cost companies the most money. For example, if you can identify why a company is losing customers and create a plan to keep them, you're solving a problem worth thousands or even millions of dollars. The bigger the problem you can solve, the higher the paycheck you can command. Number 14. Improve your decision-making skills. Companies value people who can make smart, fast decisions under pressure. If you can analyze information quickly and choose the best course of action, you save time and resources for your employer. A store manager who can decide how to handle a sudden supply shortage without losing customers is far more valuable than one who needs constant guidance. Number 15. Master emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions while recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. In high-paying leadership roles, this skill is critical. For example, a manager who can calm a frustrated client and keep a deal alive is worth more than someone who lets the relationship collapse. Number 16. Get comfortable with numbers, even if you're not in finance. Understanding numbers can help you spot opportunities and risks. If you can read basic financial statements, track key performance metrics, or calculate the cost versus benefit of a decision, you can make smarter choices. At work, this skill is often the difference between being a regular employee and moving into a management role. Number 17. Learn how to negotiate. Negotiation isn't just for getting a raise. It's for securing better deals, closing sales, or getting more resources for your team. An employee who negotiates a supplier contract down by 10% saves the company money and becomes a prime candidate for promotion. Number 18. Document your results. When you're developing new skills, keep track of the results you achieve. If you improved a process that saved your company time or money, write it down. Being able to say, I increased sales by 15%, or I reduced delivery time by 20%, is powerful proof that you deserve higher pay. Number 19. Build cultural awareness. Many companies operate globally, so understanding cultural differences can help you work better with international teams and clients. For example, knowing how business etiquette works in another country can help you close deals that others might lose. This kind of awareness makes you more versatile and valuable. Number 20. Develop crisis management skills. When something goes wrong, a project fails, a client is unhappy, or a system crashes, companies look for people who can take control. If you can stay calm, rally the team, and fix the issue quickly, you're proving that you can handle leadership. In high-pressure situations, that's a fast track to higher-paying roles. Number 21. Learn to communicate across different levels. The ability to talk to both executives and entry-level employees in a way they understand is rare and valuable. If you can present technical information clearly to non-technical people, you can bridge gaps that cost companies time and money. This is one reason why great communicators often rise to leadership positions faster. Number 22. Understand how your industry makes money. If you know exactly how your company earns revenue, you can focus your efforts where they matter most. For example, if you work in retail, knowing which products have the highest profit margins helps you make smarter sales decisions. Understanding the business side makes your skills directly tied to profitability, and that's what gets rewarded. Building skills for high-paying jobs isn't about chasing every trend or locking yourself in a classroom for years. It's about picking the right skills, practicing them in real life, showing proof of your ability, and constantly adapting to what the market wants. Now I'm curious. If you could master just one skill this year that could double your income, what would it be?